Hi, today we're going to work on two-point perspective. This time I'm going to use the bird's eye view. We usually worked on something floating, just preference. I like something floating. And this time we're going to catch two bird in one stone. So we're going to create a flat top A and sharp top A. All right, putting them together. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to create a horizon line on the top this time. So my lever is up, vanishing point 1, vanishing point 2. So I'm looking down because my eye lever is up. So to do that, you need a, I'm going to make it about 3 inches long. And then I'm going to start connecting it to the vanishing point. Oops. There's an unwanted mark. And we need to make this into 4 parts. So I'm gonna use the thickness of the ruler first. And I'm gonna create parts. And also create a center. Then I'm gonna create a middle line. Then I'm gonna create a center point again. And I'm gonna connect this, and that will be the middle part. That will be the middle part. Okay. And then this is 1 point. So go through the bottom, and then there will be the 3rd column. Okay. And this one we separate into 6 parts. So 1, 2, there's already middle point, 3, 4. So there's a lot of line involved. There's a much simpler way to create an A, but once you look at this, you probably notice that, okay, that's really easy. Oops. We need to create a 3rd column here. So center, and then there's parts that you're going to be connecting it. Then there's a 3rd column. All right. So the next job you want to do is you want to connect this. That's the outside of the A, right? And then inside already established. So all you have to do is create a outline, making it darker. So this is the bottom part of the inside, outside, the top, right side, and inside. See all the lines meeting together and then creating those lines. Okay. All right, this time connect. Okay, you need one more. Circle, center, connect. There we go. All right, so there's a top, right? And I forgot to draw this line. All right. So this is the middle. So that's the pointier part, right? And then you connect that one. And we're going to do it lightly first. So here, this is the inside and outside. And there we go. At the top, you got to connect those. Right? And this is the top. So connect. Right? You need to connect this one to create the opposite part. So imagine it's a 360 degree. So this corner will be connected to there. So, oh, I forgot to do the middle part. Now it changes, it shifted. See the corner that is meeting together, the top, and then that will be the new corner. Okay, and then this is again meeting the corner of this. So the line will be hitting there. Okay. Now you can see better. So this A is over there. This sharper top A is over here. Right? So that's how you draw two different A's, right? Creating the 360. Shadow. There are many different ways of doing the shadow. You just follow the vanishing point to create the shadow on this angle. In the drawing, the beginning of the drawing that I show you, that's following this rule. And then when to stop this shadow, you can use the 2 point, right? Good, because this is the structure that's drawing the shadow, not this, because the light is coming from here. The entire this shape you need to follow. Okay, all right.